Hey there, curious minds and future cybersecurity experts. Welcome back to Wallx Everything. Today, I'm delving into the world of hacking courses. Now, before you jump to conclusions, let's clarify. I'm talking about ethical hacking courses. I'll uncover what hacking courses entail, the skills you can gain, and how they can shape your cybersecurity journey. So, get ready to expand your knowledge and let's begin. Section 1. What are hacking courses? First things first, what are hacking courses? Ethical hacking courses, also known as penetration testing courses, teach you how to think like a hacker to identify and fix security vulnerabilities. In essence, they turn you into a cybersecurity detective, helping organizations safeguard their digital assets. Section 2. The importance of ethical hacking. Why are ethical hacking courses so important? Well, in the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity, organizations need experts who can proactively seek out weaknesses in their systems before malicious hackers do. Ethical hackers play a vital role in strengthening digital defenses and keeping sensitive information safe. Section 3. Skills gained in hacking courses. What skills can you gain from hacking courses? These courses cover a wide range of topics, including network security, understanding and securing networks against unauthorized access, vulnerability assessment, identifying vulnerabilities in software, systems, and networks, web application security, protecting web applications from common attacks like SQL injection and cross-site scripting, wireless network security, ensuring the security of Wi-Fi networks, social engineering, learning to recognize and defend against social engineering attacks. Section 4. Types of hacking courses. Hacking courses come in various forms to cater to different skill levels. Certification courses. These courses prepare you for industry-standard certifications like Certified Ethical Hacker, CHE, and Offensive Security Certified Professional, OSCP. Online courses and tutorials. Many platforms offer self-paced online courses and tutorials for beginners. Boot camps. Intensive, short-term programs designed to fast-track your hacking skills. University programs. Some universities offer cybersecurity programs with a focus on ethical hacking. Section 5. Tips for choosing the right hacking course. Choosing the right hacking course is crucial. Here are some tips to help you make an informed decision. Assess your skill level. Determine whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced learner. Define your goals. Are you pursuing a specific certification or seeking a broader understanding of ethical hacking? Research instructors and institutions. Look for courses led by experienced professionals or reputable institutions. Read reviews. Check reviews and testimonials from previous students to gauge the course's quality. Hands-on learning. Courses with practical labs and real-world simulations are often the most effective. Section 6. Benefits of ethical hacking. The benefits of ethical hacking training go beyond just career prospects. You'll 1. Develop a deep understanding of cybersecurity. 2. Gain hands-on experience in identifying and mitigating security risks. 3. Become a valuable asset to organizations seeking to strengthen their security posture. And there you have it, an insight into the world of hacking courses. Remember, ethical hacking isn't about breaking the law. It's about using your knowledge for good and ensuring a safer digital world. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech and cybersecurity content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.